start as soon as the song starts, okay? Just look at me. And 5, 6, up. Up. Around that world. Pimp walk. Shuffle right. Shuffle right. 3/4 turn on to that wall. Rock. Both times. That's it. Rock up. Rock up. Going back. Around that world. Pimp walk. Shuffle right. 3/4 turn. Hey. All right. Oh, you got it now, girl. I showed it to the other weekend when they had their party. All right. So it's not hard, huh? Y'all can go around the world. So I'm going to teach it for those who can't go around the world, okay? All right. So this is what we're doing. Watch. Watch again. Then we're going to do it together on that third time. And then we're going to do it again on the fourth. Now, y'all should have it by then. Yes? All right. Now, we're going to rock up. Watch. Rock up. Step, turn. Left, right, left. It's 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Aren't y'all proud of me? I started counting. Y'all know I don't count. I be like, it go with the music. Just do it with the music. I'm going to do it again. Rock up. Bring it around that world. This is for those who cannot bring it around the world. This is what you're going to do. Rock up and cha-cha back. Step back and bring it up. And you'll be with us. Yes? Anybody need that? Okay, let's do that. 5. Y'all do the regular part. Y'all do the alternate. Who need the alternate? Yes? All right. 5, 6, 7. Rock up. Bring it around the world. Bring it back up. Yes? Now I'm going to do it with the alternate. Y'all keep doing it the way you're doing it. I'm going to do the alternate. 5, 6, 7. Rock up. Cha-cha back. Step back. And cha-cha-cha. Yes? I know y'all got it. Put the music on for me real quick. I'm sorry. Let's get that part. We almost done. Y'all got a pimp walk, right? You got a pimp walk. Hey. Ready? Start as soon as the song starts. 5, 6, 7. Rock up. Bring around that world. Pimp walk. Let me see if y'all get that pimp walk. Oh, they got it. Shuffle right. Shuffle right. Step back. 3/4 turn. Going to that wall. Hip right. Left. Right. Left. That's the whole dance. We're going to do all 4 walls. We're going to touch all 4 walls. Yes? Let's do it again. Now, everybody can pimp walk? Let me see. Baby, y'all can pimp walk? All right, can everybody shuffle right? Step back, 3/4 turn. Well, hot damn, all right. Stay there. We almost done. I might go teach another dance. All right, then when you get to this wall, you're gonna hip right, left, and right, and left. Now, I have one favor. I'm gonna need you to put them things down while I'm teaching. When the song come on, when I finish teaching, baby, y'all can pop all y'all want. But while I'm teaching, please, because it's gone. All right. So, come back to the front. Let's walk it through. 5, 6, 7 from the top. Rock up. Bring it around the world. Pimp walk, lean with it. Ay, ay, ay. Shuffle right. Shuffle right. Step back. 3/4 turn. Right, left. Hips. 2, 3, and 4. Did everybody do their right, left when they got to that wall? I know. Watch me. Shuffle, don't do it with me. Shuffle right, step back, shuffle, right, left. Plant your foot. I don't want anybody falling. When you plant that foot, then hip. You're gonna hesitate before you start rocking them hips. All right? Now when we dance the dance, baby, y'all do y'all. You can roll down to the ground, pop your fan, do whatever you want. All right? Let's walk it through. 5, 6, 7. Rock up. Bring it around that world. Pimp walk. Hey. Shuffle to that right. Shuffle. Step back. 3/4 turn. Right, left. Hips. 2, 3, and 4.